How to archive workflow in n8n. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can archive any particular workflow in your n8n instance. So for that, the first thing that you'll need to do is launch your n8n instance. As you can see right here, since I use my n8n local, I have simply launched my local n8n instance. Now within this, I will click onto workflows under the overview section and then choose that particular workflow that I wish to archive. So for example, I wish to archive this particular workflow right here. So I'm going to click onto these three dots and then click onto this archive button. Once you do this, you can see this option, this message that says workflow has been successfully archived. So that's how easily you can archive any workflow in n8n. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.